up guys, it's your girl Love Forever back with another video, and I know it's been a month since I posted a video. I'm so sorry, but I just because I'm not getting a good content yet. I'm want to put up very good content for you, but trust me, we're not gonna get some good content in other Christmas. So well, it's almost Christmas. We're not gonna get some good content, but today me I go out what I normally do. This is not something I normally do, but I did tell them say me gonna start do videos like this, and finally we have one. I said I was going to start doing like I said I was going to start the like hair tutorials and stuff like that, and I started. So I ordered some hair from what the name? Ebonyline. I ordered some hair from Ebonyline, and the package came yesterday. Today's Sunday. The package came with a cover up the address. So I don't know if you can see it, but it says Ebonyline right here. So that was my thumbnail. So I'm gonna open this. I don't want to read this to see the address, so I'm gonna just open this down here. So I already did pre-open it already. Open it like a couple of times. So these are basically like these are just like what my order, like, and when I'm going to fold this. So see, it says Ebonyline right at the top, and this was for this wig was for $20. So this is the Sensational Empress 3-part lace wig in the style Brooklyn, and the color that I have is 99J. So let me get that info. So that's everything right there. So let's get it. I know this is kind of crappy because this is my first time I make like an unboxing. This is basically an unboxing of the hair. So this is how the packaging looks. And they have different colors. They have a lot of different colors. So it's glaring, but that's it right there. And it's a 3-part lace wig. Basically it have one part and you can just ship it to the left, the right, the center, whichever way you want. So this is the wig. Now I am going to tell you, if you want like some real good hair, only can get it from the company here for a very good price. Trust me. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you, but order it in advance. Like if you know say you go somewhere or you want it for a specific day or whatever, order it in advance. And but otherwise than that, them have good prices. Them have, you only need to go check out them website. Them have good prices, good hair. I love them hair. Trust me, this hair is really soft. As I said, I opened it before. The hair is really soft. And if you're not gonna get that color here, it's kind of burgundy, which it never show it on the website that it's kind of burgundy. But it, when you put it in, it's kind of dark now. But put it closer, and you can see them look a reddish highlights there. I don't know if you can see it, but it has some reddish highlights. But otherwise than that, this hair is really good. It's really soft. As I said, I get it yesterday, and I haven't got any shedding. I haven't got it yet. I don't know if I might hear this camera come here, so just run my hand back through it again. Yeah. So it does shed, but as I said, me done my hand through it last night, and this is only like one strand. I don't know if I know some can't see it, but whatever. I just get one strand a while ago from it. So this hair is really good. It's really soft, and you can put heat to it. It's heat resistant up to 350 or 400. So I can put heat like on it like. So this hair is really good. I love it. I will be doing another video for this hair, and it does come with baby hairs. You can see the baby hairs. Y'all see the baby hair? So it does come with baby hairs. Hi, Janai. So it does show. I don't know if you can see it now, but it does kind of have this red look. But otherwise from that, and the lace is tinted like a brown tint to it, and that's cool. So that's so that's it for this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Me go do some different videos other from this. So I just wanted. Oh, it does shed, honey. I don't know if you can see in the box, but there's a strand right there. My cousin doesn't watch me. I don't know why she look for me. So that's it for this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this here. So me have everything in the description about this here and how to get to this here and the website and everything. So as I said a million times, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.